Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 3. Our today's topic is short questions. Short questions part 2. My dear student, today is our lecture number 5. And in this class we shall solve 16 to 30, that means 15 short question, and it is short questions part 2. It is your SW also. You shall do your SW in your assigned SW copy. So let us start our short question first. Our first short question is 16 number. Whose length is bigger, 100 centimeter or 100 meter? My dear students, I repeat, whose length is bigger, 100 centimeter or 100 meter? In order to do the answer of this question, you need to know which unit is bigger, meter unit or centimeter unit, meter unit or centimeter unit. My dear students, here meter unit is bigger, meter unit is bigger. We know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. I repeat, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, but here 100 centimeter, but here 100 meters. So we can write this 100 centimeter into 1 meter. So 1 meter and 100 meter, which one is bigger? You must give the answer. That means 100 meter is bigger than 100 centimeter. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 100 meter. So right answer 100 meter. I hope you have understood how to answer this question. Our next question is question number 17. Here Ramu works for 8 hours a week. I repeat, Ramu works for 8 hours a week. How many hours does he works in 70 days? Okay, here a week, but here is days. For these reasons, we convert these days into week. Then you multiply that week with 8 and finally we get the answer. So here is 70 days. We know that 7 days make a week. 7 days equal to 1 week. So 70 days equal to how many weeks? We divide this 70 by 7 and we get the required week. That means if we divide, then we get 7 on the 7 and 0 is here. So 10 week. I hope you have understood. 7 days equal to how many weeks? 7 days equal to 10 weeks. So he works 8 hours a week. So 1 week he works 8 hours. So in 10 weeks he works how many hours? We multiply this 10 with 8 and we get the answer. That means if we multiply 10 multiply 8, then what will be? 10 8 jar 80. So the answer is 80 hours. That means how many hours does he work in 70 days? The answer will be 80 hours. I hope you have understood question number 17. Now we shall solve question number 18. Here from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. is how many hours? So 10 a.m. means morning and 3:30 p.m. means afternoon. So 10 to 12. How many hours? 10 to 12. How many hours? 1 and 2. So after 12, the hours 12, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 hours and 30 minutes left. So 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. I repeat these questions. From 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. is how many hours? That means at first you count 10, 11, 12. Then we count 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. So 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. is 5 hours and 30, that means 30 minutes. So the required answer is 5 hour 30 minutes. That means from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. is 5 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Our next question. What is the difference between place value of 5 in 2505? My dear students, difference between place value of 5. What type of question this is? This is an interesting question. Here you notice that there is 2 5 in this number. In this number, one 5 is in ones place and another 5 is in hundred place. So what is the place value of 5? Place value of 5 is 5 ones, that means 5, and the place value of 5 is 500, that means we write 500. Now we subtract this 500 and 5 and we get the difference between the place value of 5 in this number. That means we subtract 500 minus 5. If we subtract from 10, then we get 5. This one is added with this, then it will be 1, 1 to 10 it will be 9, and 1 to 5 it will be 4. So the difference between place value of 5, that means 5 and 500 is 495, and it is the required answer. I hope you have understood. Answer 495. Question number 19 is done. Now we shall solve question number 20. What is the numerator in 9 by 11? Student, do you know what is this? What is this? This is a fraction. This is a fraction. And the number which is above is called numerator, and the number which is below, which is called denominator. I repeat, the upper number is called numerator and the lower number is called denominator. So here 9 is numerator and 11 is denominator, but the question asks you to find what is the numerator in this fraction. The answer will be what? The answer will be 9. Okay. Next question. Shuhan's birthday is on the last day of July. Orun's birthday 5 days before Shuhan's birthday. What is Orun's birthday? Before starting to solve this math, you need to know how many days are there in the month of July. Do you know? Yes, I have known that you have know the questions, because July has 31 days and you are very smart learner. I know you already known this question. That means July has 31 days. So Shuan's birthday is on the last day of July. That means Shuan's birthday is 31 July. 31 July. Orun's birthday is 5 days before. Now we subtract 5 from this 31 and we get the Orun's birthday. That means 5 to 11 we get 6, and this 1 is added with this number and it will be 1. 1 to 3 it will be 26. So we can give the answer. That means what is Orun's birthday? Orun's birthday is 26 July. 26 July. My dear students, please listen to me. The short questions are very important for your annual term, because short questions give you the marks that you can get easily, but you need not memorize it. You can understand. If you understand, then you can easily give the answer. But if you memorize these questions, then if I make Shuan's birthday is on the last day of July, Orun's birthday is 5 days. Here I shall give you 4 days. Then if you write here for 26 July, it will be wrong. So you need to understand first. Okay. Then 22 number question. What is the shape of the blackboard in your class? My dear student, notice this blackboard. Okay, notice this blackboard. What type of shape is this? What type of shape is this? The shape which has opposite sides are equal and parallel and every angles are right angle is called rectangle. So the blackboard is similar as rectangle. So we can say that the blackboard is in rectangular shape. So what is the shape of the blackboard in your class? The answer will be rectangular. That means rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. 22 number question done. Next we shall solve 23 number. Can we divide all even numbers by 2? 2 is even number or odd number? 2 is even number. So we can say any even number is divided by 2. Any even numbers is divided by 2. So the question asks you to find the answer in yes or no. So the question is, can you divide all the even numbers by 2? The answer is yes. Do you want to check? 4. It's divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 6. It's divided by 2. Cos 2 3s are 6. 8. It is divided by 2 because 4 2s are 8. 10. It is also divided by 2. So all even numbers are divided by 2. And the question's answer is yes. I hope you have understood question number 23. Then we shall solve question number 24. What is the cost of a score of pen at Taka 19 is? Before starting to solve this man, you need to know one score equal to how many pens. One score equal to how many pens? We know that one score equal to 20 things, but here unit is pen. So one score equal to 20 pens. So one pen cost is 90 taka. So what is the cost of 20 pens? So we multiply this 90 with 20 and we get the answer. So multiply first 20 multiply by 19. 9 zeros are 0, 9 2s are 18. Now we shall do work of tens place, that means ons place 0. So 1 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2. If we add 0 8 3. So the answer is 380. So the cost of one score, that means 20 pens at Taka 19 is 380 taka. 380 taka. I hope you have understood question number 24. Then we shall solve 25 number questions. If 440 millimeter is equal to 4 centimeter, then how many millimeters are there in 9 centimeter? So at first we multiply 1 centimeter, at first we find out 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters. How can we find? We divide this 40 by 4. So 40 centimeter equal to 4 centimeter equal to 40 millimeter. I repeat, 4 centimeter equal to 40 millimeter. So 1 meter equal to how many 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeter? We divide this 40 by 4 and we get 10. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. I repeat, we divide this 40 millimeter by 4 and we get 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeter? If we divide 40 by 4, then we get 10. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. Now we find out 9 centimeter equal to how many millimeter? As 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, then 9 centimeter equal to, we multiply 10 with 9 and we get the answer. 90 millimeter. The answer is 90 millimeter. I hope you have understood questions number 25. Now we shall solve question number 26. What is the successor of 4960? Successor means the next number. Successor means the next number. What is the next number of 4960? It is so easy. The successor of 4960 is 4961. Okay. The question number 26 is done. Then we shall solve question number 27. How many hours are from 8:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m.? So before starting to solve this math, you need to know 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. equal to how many hours? My dear students, 8:30 a.m. to 12:30. 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30 and 6:30. So how many hours needed? There are 10 hours needed to 8:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So count first. 8:30 to 6:30, how many hours? 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, then 1:30, again 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30 and 6:30. So 10 hours. Okay. Next, what is the product of a number and 0? My dear students, you know a number multiply 0, we get 0. How can? In our childhood we read 1 0 jar 0, 2 0 jar 0, 3 0 jar 0, 4 0 jar 0, 5 0 jar 0, 6 0 jar 0, 7 0 jar 0, 8 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 10 zeros are 0. So any number you multiplied with 0, then the answer will be 0. So the product of a number and 0 is whole time 0. So 0 is the required answer. I hope you have understood questions number 28. Then we shall solve question number 29. Question number 29. My dear students, read the question first. Make the greatest possible number using some digits. Digits are 7, 0, 9, 8, 1. That means by using this digit we need to know, we need to make the greatest number. My dear students, to make the greatest number, we arrange the number in descending order. That means bigger to smaller, then we get the greatest possible number. Here 7, 0, 9, 8, 1. From this digit, which number is greatest? The greatest number is 9. Then which number? 8. Then which number? 7. Then which number? 1. And last 0. So the greatest possible number using 7, 0, 9, 8 and 1 is 98,710. I hope you have understood how to find out the greatest possible number using 7, 0, 9, 8, 1. But if the question asks you to find, make the smallest possible number using 7, 0, 9, 8, 1, then what will be the answer? As the condition, at first we write 0, then 1, then 7, then 8, then 9. My dear student, please notice 0, 1, 7, 8, 9. But we know that a number which has 0 at the left hand side, that 0 has no values. So it has no values and we read the question 1789. So make this greatest possible number. So it will be change this position. That means at first we write 1, then 0. Then all the digits are same. That means this is the greatest smallest possible number. Okay. So the greatest possible number using these digits are 98,710. And the last question is 30. What is the total number of days in September and October? September and October. Before starting to solve this math, you need to know how many days are there in September and how many days are there in October. So in September we know that there are 30 days, and in October we know that there are 31 days. So we add this 30 with this 31 and we get the answer. If we add 0 with 1, then get 1, and if we 3 with 3, then we get 6. So in September and in October the total number of days is 61. So the answer is 61 days. My dear students, this is our today's lecture from 16 to 30. It is short question part 2. My dear students, it is your SW also. It is your SW also. Please, at first you write SW number, then you write date. After that you start to solve this math. At first you write the questions, then you give answer. I repeat, at first you write question, then you write answer. Okay, my dear students, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. In every Sunday you must submit your SW. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.